How would you like to make this type of money every day? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make easy PayPal money from this brand new site. So if you're ready to make this PayPal money, stay tuned. This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn easy PayPal money with this brand new website. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out this channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions or concerns about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, before I get into this method, guys, again, I just want to say thank you for helping this channel get to 7,000 subscribers. Grind family, you're a very, very strong family, guys. So let's keep going, guys. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers. I know we can get there very, very soon. Now, I did do a giveaway to 2 people. If you want to find out who won, please go check my last video. It's in the comments. 2 people got free money. And when we get to 8,000, I'm going to give away some more free money. So, next video, I'm going to reveal what type of contest I'm going to do. So once we get to 8,000, 2 people are going to win because they participated in this contest for the free money giveaway. So I'll tell you guys all about it, how it's going to work in the next video. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end because I don't want you to miss none of the steps. So without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Okay, family, I'm at this site and the name of the site is Opinion. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but it's Opinion. So on here, you're going to get paid for your opinion. So easy to get paid, free to participate. Business are looking for your feedback today. And you just click right here to get started. So this is how it works. You're going to sign up for free, pick surveys and answer the questions. Then you're going to collect that money. Now, what we offer. So this is what they offer. Free, easy, and fast sign up, well-paid surveys, no points or calculation, straight out cash rewards, available bonus surveys on demand. How does that sound, guys? It sounds good to me. So you're going to access our platform from any device, mobile, desktop, or tablet. So you can have any type of device, guys. So if you just got cell phones, you can just use that. Now, this is what some of the users are saying on this platform. So this person right here named Jessica22 said, easy interface and good surveys. I like the check your luck section. I often get surprised with a good survey. So this person is very satisfied working on this website and getting paid. Now, next thing I'm going to do is show you the payout. So I'm going to click right here where it says payout. So it says here, how can you get paid? It's through PayPal. So easy and secure payout via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just go to paypal.com, sign up. It's totally free. And you'll be able to get paid in PayPal money once you reach the limit of $10. And you're going to get that real easy, guys, because these surveys that you're going to take are real easy and fast. So you're going to request your payout. So once you reach the payout limit, the payout link will become active. So you're going to see a payout link that's going to become active in your account, and you'll be able to click that link and get paid through PayPal. Now it's going to go through approval of payment, so it takes sometimes up to 5 days, but from my knowledge it can be less than 5 days, so don't get discouraged. That it might take 5 days, might take less. Then you'll be able to use your money once you get that PayPal money to buy anything you want, guys. So that's all I'm gonna say about this website, guys. It's really similar to all the other survey or opinion websites. It's just this one is kind of new. So I always want to try to bring you new websites that's not that overcrowded with people, where you can get surveys on a regular basis. And this is one of the websites that you can check out that hasn't been around that long. So if you're ready to start making some money, giving your opinion, go to digitalopinion.com, sign up, and get started. Okay, family, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 40 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Now guys, I like to do shout outs. So where I do shout outs is I pop a comment on the screen, and I'm going to do another shout out, and this is to a member. So I have a membership. So this person signed up with my membership and they get special perks. And one of the perks is they get a shout out. And I shout out their name, or if they have anything else like a product or website or a social media account, I'll shout that out too. But right now, I'm just shouting out their name. So the person I want to shout out that's part of the Grind Family Membership Program is Ivan Jetify. I don't know if I pronounced his last name right, but I'm going to pop his name across the screen. Thank you for being a member of the Grind Family Membership, and I hope you are enjoying your perks. This is one of your perks. If you have any questions, you can always contact me through my email, and that's at appgrindtv@gmail.com. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Thanks again. Appreciate the support. Thanks again for getting to 7,000. We're on our road to 8,000. Let's get there real quick, guys. Please share this video and make sure you hit that like button. All right, that's it. One more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.